So tell us about your experience in this puddle.
I am enjoying my experience in Key West in the only sandbar that I was able to find, okay? And I was able to navigate around the whole entire Key West without a GPS and without hitting bottom.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
No, don't do that.
How deep is this water?
This water is about a foot deep. Whew. That was scary. I thought I lost all my cameras. It was pretty scary. I thought I left this camera with all my other cameras in the gas station, but clearly I didn't. Thank God. Alright guys, I want to start off by giving a big thanks to Unlimited Trailers. Make sure to hit them up if you have any trailer repair needs, or if you want to buy a trailer, whatever trailer related, hit up Eddie. He's an awesome guy. We made it to Key West with 0 issues. So we're here at Boyd's Campground in Key West, and we're checking in. So it's a busy Memorial Day weekend, and hopefully we can launch the boat today with the Bobcat. Best part about coming here is that you don't gotta launch your own boat with your RV. They got a backhoe, we're gonna hook it up, and they're gonna launch it for me. I'm gonna record all of that for you guys. They're a little busy, so they want me to park the RV first, and then we're gonna launch the boat. Alright, we're move Rocky. We're number 79, and that's 77 to 59. 79 is this way. This way. Ooh, can somebody go to the white fence so I don't hit that white fence? Here. Take this with you. Parker.
It's okay.
Do you need help, or is it? But can he see it? Do you need me to help him?
I think he's fine for now. Thank you.
We're here pretty good. A lot better than the last time here.
Welcome.
Thank you guys. What's going on? Cheers.
Yeah. You need help? He barks a lot, but he doesn't do nothing.
Oh no, we're good. We got 2 of them.
Okay.
Yeah, you're both friends.
No, leave you with that, but he won't do nothing.
No, we're good. Oh, he's not bothering me. He's good. We're good there. Want me to bend this over? Go. Alright guys, there she goes. She's in the water. Good thing that this is a floating dock, so you can tie the boats tight. Let's go get the RV situated, and then we're gonna go for a little afternoon cruise. Water was flat the whole way here, so I'm dying to go for a swim in the salt water. If you guys are not already subscribed, please subscribe, drop a like, share this to all your friends. You know the deal, guys. I wanna get this channel to blow up, so help me out, and I'll appreciate it. I smell barbecue, and it smells good. Good thing is that look how close the RV is this time. We're literally right here, so we can't really see the boat, but at least we don't gotta walk a mile. The RV right there. Green team. Key West right there, guys. Trying to find a nice sandbar where I can go for a little afternoon swim. I've been stuck in the RV all day. There's a lot of traffic, so I'm trying to jump in the water. What do you think?
Let's jump in the water.
Let's do it. Alright guys, so we have officially done almost a complete circle around Key West. We're on the far southwest side of Key West right now. So this area is all new to me. I'm staying in the channels. You know, it's shallow on that side, and if you're shallow on that side, I don't know if you can notice that on camera. So when in doubt, stay next to the markers. You know how shallow all that is? Look at the little ripples.
Over there.
And right there, it's like glass. I think I found a sandbar, guys. From far, we saw these guys hanging out in the water, so let's see. Let's see how it is. We found the sandbar, guys. Yeah, we found the sandbar. I'm enjoying it. Baby, bring me a beer. I deserve a beer after everything I've gone through. I want to get the boat in the back. Nice fish right there. That fish went, woo! Yo! Nice catch, nice catch. What life is all about. Look at the tarpon! Look at the tarpon! They're tarpon fishing. That's what they're catching. They're tarpon fishing. There's a lot of tarpon around them. Look, another one right there. Yeah, there's tarpon everywhere. Look at them. Home.